Good afternoon and welcome to you all. Let's us introduce ourselves. I am Betida and they are Watanapong, Shalakon, and Tepadi. Today we will tell you about advantage and disadvantage of aquaponics. We are interested in this topic because farmers want to grow plant and animal, but they have limited area. In the same way, it increases revenue and less cost by using water from fish pond to water the plant. I'm going to develop two main points. First, Watanapong. We'll start with the advantage. Then Shalakon will show you its disadvantage. The presentation will last about 8 minutes. If you have any question, please raise your hand. We will answer them at the end of our talk. Aquaponics is a form of agriculture that combines the raising fish in tank with soilless plant culture. In aquaponics, the nitrate-rich water from raising fish provide a natural fertilizer for the plant, and the plant help to purify the water for the fish. Aquaponics can be used to sustainably raise fresh fish and vegetable for a family, to fish a village or generate profit in a commercial farming venture.
Aquaponics is a stable method of raising both fish and vegetables. It has many advantages. First one, the advantage of aquaponics is half planting area. Aquaponics unit income or shape and size from small area because they can use the land of agriculture, production and fish to get the most return in your land. And no matter where and what condition you are in, you can cultivate different crops in the same area. So, aquaponics is suitable for planting in problematic area. Aquaponics is not wetting or bedding down on the ground required. Similarly, aquaponics will use water resource, no chemical fertilizer, no needed for to plant, get fertilizer from to the fish, and aquaponics use less than 10% of the water normally from fish farming and plant production. In addition, growing in the aquaponics is ideal way to produce food with much less effort and less time than with ether garden. In the same way, Closeness in the market, aquaponics in stainless almost anywhere, such as food distribution center market. Now I will turn the floor over to Watanapong. He will tell about the disadvantage of aquaponics.
Thank you, Sharakon Champion. However, aquaponics has disadvantage but less than benefit. Thought it has risking to do aquaponics. In the case of aquaponics, is small percentage of success rate. The point is that many systems are largely standard on hydroponics. For example, there is much information about it, which aquaponics is not the same, much research and standardization. are lacking. Moreover, aquaponics is relatively more complex than other production systems due to the fact you have to be aware of both plant and animal. This implies that the point where the system can fail are more. On the one hand, the fish can die if they do not have the right condition, because keeping the fish healthy day in day out can be a complicated issues, especially keeping fish the water environment toxic free. On the other hand, the plants are susceptible to pathogen. If one or more components fail, this could lead to the loss of fish and or plant, and it is hard to take care. Especially some organic means of plant protection may be requested, particularly if you are going monoculture.
That's the end of our talk today. Before we start answering your question, let me briefly summarize what we have said here. We have discussed the advantage and disadvantage of aquaponics. There are several advantages of aquaponics. One is obviously the space advantage, and other than that, safe and healthier crops of fish. However, some of the disadvantages of aquaponics are that there's a small percentage of a success rate, and water circulation system of aquaponics are more complex than hydroponics. We think that aquaponics might provide a solution to system problem by artifact from Limeda, but we should also research more for its disadvantage. Now it's time for your questions. Are there any questions? Thank you so much for your interest and attentions.